Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this hair wrap. I think this is super cute and it's really fun for the summertime. And if you want to see how to do it, just keep on watching. So all you need to do this is you're going to need some friendship bracelet string. I have two different shades of blue. I'm not really sure which one I want to do yet. Probably gonna go with this lighter one, but yeah, this is all you need to do this. So these costed me $1.40 from Joann's craft store. The reasons why these are more expensive than just the average ones is because these ones change colors. I don't know if you guys can see that, and that's what makes it look really cool in your hair. So now you have to find a spot on your head that you want it. I think I'm gonna do mine on this side because I already have one over here. So I already chose my section. The part where you want it on your hair is up to you. So section of hair, I recommend grabbing a thinner section. That way when you twist it up, it's thinner. And then you're gonna want to get your section of hair and you're going to want to braid it. So it's just a normal braid. And I'm braiding it kind of tight to the root, not really. But it does want to be a tighter braid. Okay, so I've braided my hair all the way to the point where I can't braid it anymore. So here it is. It's pretty tight braid, not too tight to the point where it'll hurt my head, but it's pretty tight. Grabbing the thread. This is the thread I chose. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it does change color. It goes from light to darker, then lighter, and that's how it will show up on your hair, which is really cool. So you have your string. My hair looks crazy right now. But you have your string, and then you're going to want to make a knot at the top of it. I don't know if there was an easy way I would be able to show you guys this, but it's just a simple knot. And you're going to want to tie it really tight, that way it doesn't slide down. So tie it tight, that way it doesn't slide down from your hair. And then I'm going to do a double knot because I really want this to stay in. Just like that. And then this is where the wrapping portion is going to take place. So once you do that, you can just cut this off because you don't really need that. So this next part is really simple. It might look difficult, but it's really not. So now that you have that on your hair, you're going to want to start to wrap this around the braid. That's all you're going to be doing. Just wrapping this around the braid. From the beginning all the way to the end of the braid, you're just going to be wrapping it. So I'll show you. Here's the braid, or the string. Here's the string. Take it around. That's all you do. Just wrapping it around. And you're going to want to do that till you reach the end. So okay, so currently I'm this far into wrapping my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it does go lighter, darker, lighter, darker, lighter, darker, which is pretty cool. But also I wanted to tell you guys that when wrapping your hair, try to make sure that like pieces of hair like this don't get stuck in it. So make sure that you're just not getting other hair stuck into it, or else you're gonna have like a hair like this going like that, and you don't really want that. So yeah, just make sure that other pieces of hair don't get stuck when you're wrapping your hair. I'll get back to you guys when I am completely done. Now that I have wrapped this around my hair and all I have left is that, I'm going to cut the thread like about there so I have room to tie it. Okay, so here I have this section of hair, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to make a knot, and then I get one of the times I wrapped it and I kind of like pull it out like that. And then I get the thread, and I tie it like it feels a regular knot. I just pull it, and there we go, you have a knot. And if you want, you can do like another little knot right here just to be sure that it'll stay on Once you did that, you're just going to cut the excess string, and you're done. Now I have my finished hair wraps. So you're probably wondering, like, do you have to take them out when you shower or if you go swimming, since it is the summertime? And I have taken a shower. I have not tested swimming yet, but I'm pretty sure they would stay just as well. But I have taken a shower and they stayed in. So you just do what you'd normally do with your hair, shampoo and conditioner or whatever you do, and then it should stand pretty well. So yeah, and then to cut these out, all you do is you cut the knot that you tied. You don't need to cut your hair. Just cut the knot that you did, and then it should just unravel, and then that's it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!